In the modern education system, one of the most popular and effective ways of learning is student-centered learning. That's where the students are actively involved in a variety of tasks and activities. For the topic of jobs, we brought the real-life situations into classroom. Each student have a role and embrace a character in different job positions. So this way, they'll see, touch, involve, enjoy, and learn.
My job is mechanics. If you have a problem with your car or with your bicycle, come and visit me. I can fix your car. Hello, I'm a dentist. My job is to treat my patients' teeth and to keep them healthy. If you have toothache, come and visit me. I'm always telling the kids to brush their teeth 3 times daily. And few caries mean few toothache. I'm a hairdresser. I can cut many hairstyles. I do nails and makeup for people. I love my job.
We're getting ready for the wedding. My cousin is the lovely bride. I'm wearing a suit, I'm wearing a tie. I've got my family by my side.
I'm a musician. I have a lot of musical instruments. I love music. I'm a tailor. I can make dresses for clothes, jacket, coat, and t-shirt. I love my job. I know a lot of style. Hello, I draw and paint a beautiful picture. I am a painter. I love art and painting so much. I'm a barber. I cut color hair and style hair. I shave beard and mustache. I use scissors, brushes, and hair dryer for cutting. Me and use the dog. It is into. I'm a zipper. I love animals. I feed them, I take after them, and I clean their place.
Role play is an essential way of learning through play. Since it stimulates child's imagination, it helps problem solving, it builds confidence and empathy among the students, and it's a great way to build communication in the class. And also, along with being a very fun activity, it allows students to get into different characters and try out different scenarios and a variety of fictional performances.